Today, we're going to be solving a system of equations, but we're going to do it in kind of a unique way because this problem can be solved using some reasoning skills. So here's the situation. If x times y equals 144 and x plus y equals 30 and x is greater than y, what is the value of x minus y? So we have a couple ways we could approach this problem. The first is I could create a system of equations where I solve my second equation for either x or y. I plug it into my first equation and I solve. That will give me a quadratic equation with two values. And then I could use my reasoning skills to figure out which one's x, which one's y. That would totally be great. However, I noticed that x times y equals 144 is just saying what two numbers multiply to create 144. It's really asking me for a list of factors. So first we're going to think through this value. So I have x times y equals 144. Let's make a list of all the factors of 144. So if I think about 144 and I think of two numbers that multiply to make it, the first one that comes to my brain is 12 times 12. The next one I think about is 4 times 36. And then I think 3 times 48. And then maybe 2 times 72. Maybe 6 times 24. Ooh, and 144 times 1. There might be more, there might be less. These are the ones that came to my brain first. So using this list, I'm kind of slowing down. I could keep going, but I'm looking for the two values, right, that multiply to make 144. So here's some to choose from. And those same two values also need to add to make 30. So 12 plus 12 would make 24. So that's not the two values I'm looking for. 4 times 36. If I go 4 plus 36, I get 40, but I'm looking for 30. So that's not going to work. 3 plus 48. Oh, not 30. 2 plus 72. No. 6 plus 24. Oh. 6 plus 24 is 30. So I think these are numbers we're going to look at. 144 plus 1, way too big. So I'm thinking about this. So let's see if it matches both of our criteria. 6 times 24 is 144. That's true. 6 plus 24 is 30. So that meets the criteria for our second equation. So these two values set them, or make both of our equations true. Now, the tricky part is which one's x and which one's y. Luckily, they gave us some criteria. They're saying that x is greater than y. So if I have 24 and 6, and x is the larger one, then x is 24, and y is 6. Now, the final part of our question is what is the value of x minus y? So I'm going to do x minus y is the same as 24 minus 6. And I know that that is 18. If you have a math question or a homework problem you would like me to explain, add it in the comments.